Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video today, we got a new package, and it is a nice case to spice up your iPhone 8 Plus product red. So I'll be right back after I get this package open, and we'll take a quick look at this case and give you another idea on how to spice up the look and feel of your iPhone 8 Plus. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the iPhone 8 Plus product red version right here. And this is the case right here. It's just a random little nice case that I saw on Amazon. I decided to get a professional case. It is scratch resistant. I want to say that this case ran me about $10 to $15, somewhere in that range, if I'm not mistaken. I have to go back and double check that. Just a fashion case. It says here great design and functionality. You know, design of our phone cases is inspired by latest trends in fashion and so forth. All right. Very eco-friendly materials to ensure durability and great protection and stylish appearance. I'm sorry about that. So what I'll do is I'll get this case popped open right quick and take a look at what we got on the inside. Sit to the side. And right off the bat, let me move that out the way. Right off the bat, this case feels awesome already. Without even having the phone in it already, it feels awesome. I think it's a two-part case, is it? I'm not 100% sure. Let me double check, make sure I can't pull it apart. Okay, and it does have a clip on the back, which is great for, you know, standing your phone up if you're a media consumption head like myself. So with that being said, let's slap this phone case on the iPhone 8 Plus product red and take a look. Slides in nice and easy like that, and yes, oh yes. Still got your Apple cutouts right here. Camera cutouts are perfect. It is literally perfect. When I say perfect, I mean you can see the whole camera. There's no obstruction or whatever the case. And you also have the nice clip in the back, so you can stand your phone up just like this here. And it actually locks back in place like that. That button works to turn it on. Let's check with the volume. Volume up and down key works perfect. Everything seems to be working perfect. Phone is very, very nice. Case feels sturdy in the hands. It feels really, really nice in the hands. I think you have some drop protection because it has a lip all the way around it. And the case is pretty thick, kind of thick. So I'm pretty sure it'll be, if you drop it, I'm pretty sure it'll be shock resistant or whatever the case. So yeah, this is just a quick and easy way to spice up your iPhone 8 Plus product red. Make sure you drop a comment below. I'll try to make sure I put the link to this case in the description from Amazon. If I don't, just remind me in the comment section below, and I'll try to make sure I get that out to you guys. Anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed this quick little video on a nice case that you can buy from Amazon to spice up your iPhone 8 Plus product red. Stay tuned for future videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so you can know when we upload videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.